smoked sausage in an air fryer. I'm going to give it a try today. I'm Darnell at Wave of Recipes, and I'm going to be cooking up some smoked sausage in the Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360 XL. So let's get started on that right now. Alright, so I've got myself here some Eckrich smoked sausage. It's skinless, naturally hardwood smoked. And I'm going to go ahead and start warming up the Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360 XL first. So I'm going to turn it to air fry and up the temp all the way to the max of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Not sure exactly how much time it will need, so I've got my iGrill 2 that'll be measuring temperature in these sausage links. But just to have a lot of time to work with, I'm going to up the time to like 30 minutes. I don't think it'll need that long, but who knows. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start. Let that start preheating. While it's preheating, I'm going to go ahead and get the sausage out of its easy open container here. Nothing in this video is sponsored, by the way. And after I get it open, you'll see how easy this easy open tab is. It's like you got to get in here. Alright, so got it open now. Close to getting my sausage links out onto this crisper tray. And going to take and get my probes in. So I'm going to take this probe here. This is actually probe 2 that I'm going to just stick in this one here on this side. Just go in as far as I possibly can with the probe while trying to keep the probe in a kind of an even, kind of straight in shot there. And this is probe 1. This is the one that's showing temperature right now on the screen. So getting probe 1 all the way deep down into the meat. And so basically we'll let these sit here for now, and once it's done preheating, we'll get the crisper tray in this baking pan to catch some drippings put in there. Alright, preheat is done. Hitting pause, turning time back to full 30. Putting the air fryer basket on the highest rack up here on level 1. Sliding that all the way in, getting the baking pan, putting that down on the pizza pan that I have on the usual bake rack, or the bake rack level. Close up, hit start. Gonna let that go ahead and cook for a while. I'll probably let these cook till they get to maybe 150, 155 temp. I'm not gonna stop at like 145. I'm gonna let them go to be cooked. I like mine pretty well. So it's going to be like somewhere between 150 and 155 when I stop. But I'll bring you back before then because there's more still to be done. Okay, a little over 8 minutes have passed. We see my sausage link in the back is reading 98 degrees. The one in the front is reading 107. But I feel that I probably placed the probe in the back one a little better than the one in the front. But what I want to do at this point now, I'm going to go ahead and hit pause. And I'm going to open up, I'm going to spin the rack around. I haven't had a lot of dripping. I would say at this point, from what I've seen so far, you don't really even need a drip pan to catch much because there's not much that comes down, at least so far. So hitting start again, going to let this continue. Alright, we just crossed the 11.5 minute mark, and the sausage in the front went over 145. The one in the back is reading like 154 now. So I'm going to let the one in the front just hit about 150, and now I'm going to go ahead and pull them. So basically we'll go on an even 12 minutes. I'll just let it get to an even 12 minutes just for the sake of an even stop time, and going to just hit cancel to just totally turn the cooker off with that right there. And so we see the temperature still rising, but we can go ahead and turn the iGrill 2 off because everything that's happening now is just basic carryover heat. am going to go ahead and get my air fryer basket out. You can see my sausages were made very crispy from the air frying. So I'm going to go ahead and get the sausage links off of here. Whoa, one kind of fell off there. That's okay. Kind of broke apart, it's so tender. That I can say I didn't anticipate happening, but that's okay. Got links so tender they're just falling apart. And that just shows how tender things have been cooked, and that's cool. Getting this out of the way. Gonna get this one also out of here and out of the way. And so now I'll just take, just part of one and just set it here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece off for some taste testing. But you can see our sausage is very well cooked inside. Let me give you a closer look. And so I like mine really well cooked, really well done like that. Get the outside, get a little crisp and sear on that outside. I like that. So let's go ahead and move the camera and do some taste testing. All right, so let's taste test some smoked sausage from the air fryer. It's so tender and good, juicy, perfect. I really like some smoked sausage. And so if you like smoked sausage, definitely throw some in the air fryer, cook it up like that. Doesn't take a lot of time, comes out real nice. I'm really pleased with that. And so that's how you do it. And you'll be able to find these instructions in the video description. Also, there'll be a link to a printable version. And you can always find recipes for this and other cookers on my blog at superwaveovenrecipes.com. You can always come directly to this YouTube channel anytime you want by easily going to waveovenrecipes.com. All you got to do is type in waveovenrecipes.com. Brings you directly to this YouTube channel. Also, in the video description are referral links for like the smaller version of this cooker, also to my Amazon influencer shop and other ways to help this channel. Also, you can find me on Twitter and Instagram at Wave Oven Recipes. And if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and good eating.